Spiritual awakening and characteristics of a spiritually awakened person. When an individual begins the spiritual journey, one encounters many ups and downs in its course. The journey is marked with periods during which there are fast moving and some other periods during which there is a slower movement towards the goal. Normally, we remain body conscious most of the time, even when we have begun the spiritual journey. With our best efforts, we are able to remain soul conscious for short periods of time. But gradually, with practice, we can remain soul conscious for longer and longer periods. The process of transition from body consciousness to soul consciousness may be slow for some but faster for others. When a person practicing spirituality acquires a mental state in which he or she remains totally soul conscious, then that person is said to have experienced a spiritual awakening. Therefore, spiritual awakening refers to a dynamic shift in consciousness and an appreciation of reality which had previously been unrealized. Such a realization is in the recognition of oneness with all of existence. One gets a core message after a realization that the absolute truth is beyond all concepts and beliefs of man. Underneath all apparent differences lies a fundamental oneness. All forms in existence arise from pure potentiality. The sages referred to this as emptiness, the Tao, Brahman, Allah, God, while science may refer to it the zero-point field or field of potential. A spiritually awakened person no more identifies with the body, while living in the body and performing all its functions and activities. He has lost all sense of I, me and mine. His or her ego has dissolved completely. Such a person experiences no duality, i.e., happiness or unhappiness, pleasure or pain, gain or loss, and recognition or the recognition don't affect the person, which means that the person is equipoise in all diverse situations. Despite experiencing emotions, one is not affected by them since the person is filled with love, kindness, and compassion for all humanity. A spiritually awakened individual never stops evolving spiritually since spiritual growth is a lifelong process. According to the Apostle Paul, the spiritual growth is an ongoing process that will never end in this life. Characteristics of a spiritually awakened person. There are certain characteristics of the person who has attained spiritual awakening as mentioned below. Since such a person identifies with the soul, he or she has completely lost the sense of I, me and mine. Although he or she performs all the activities of the body, such a person is totally unaffected by them. All actions are performed by the person without attachment to their outcomes. The person has all the worldly possessions of wealth, material assets, name, fame, friends and relations, and he or she enjoys them fully, but if perchance he or she happens to lose any one of them, such a person is not affected at all by the loss, which cannot make him or her unhappy and miserable. Such a person is never fearful of losing anything in life since he or she has realized the fact that all worldly things are impermanent. The spiritually awakened individual always uses the power of inner self. The individual doesn't struggle for approval of others or external power. Such an individual has reached a mental state of equanimity and thus cannot be affected by anything or any situation that brings either happiness or unhappiness. Fear, jealousy, hatred, animosity, greed, or any other negative force has no place in the life of such a spiritually illumined person. The individual is always very humble and has no sense of superiority to anyone since he or she views that everyone else is the same as he or she is but has donned a different disguise. The individual understands that underneath those disguises lies the universal oneness. Such a person doesn't have wasteful and negative thoughts about him or her and about others because the true nature of the soul is divine. A spiritually illumined individual is free from all negativity of thoughts, words, and actions. His or her thoughts are always elevated, and so, words and actions of such a person are also elevated and inspire others to emulate them. A spiritually awakened person is not attached to anything including material assets, name or fame, relations, kith and kin, concepts, beliefs, and, therefore, the person is not affected by them if something unfavorable happens to them. He or she is a detached observer and is emotionally not influenced by anything. He or she is equipoise at all time. Such a person performs all the perfunctory duties faithfully in life but is not attached to their outcomes. And so, whatever he or she performs, he or she does it to the best of the capacity and resigns its outcome to the Almighty, as such a person firmly believes that the outcome will be in the best interest of all concerned, not only in his or her interest. All the acts of such a person are meant for the welfare of all concerned. The spiritually illumined individuals are full of love, kindness, and compassion towards all, including humans, animals, birds, and plants. They always take care not to cause any damage to the environment. They love and enjoy nature, which provides the opportunity to be present in the now. A spiritually awake person lives a life of voluntary humility and so cannot harm or maltreat anyone. He or she will readily forgive the person who wrongs them. Forgiveness is a strong attribute of the person who practices voluntary humility. Such an individual is always striving hard to grow spiritually instead of pointing out to the imperfections of others. Such a person doesn't preach others but instead becomes a role model which others strive to follow. Such individuals always respect the beliefs and opinion of others. They don't impose their views and opinions on others. They are always happy and, therefore, they spread happiness to all who come in their contact. Therefore, they attract happiness in ample amounts like a magnet. They are free from any kind of greed since they are fully contented with what they have. They don't aspire to possess more than their basic needs. The spiritually awake individuals don't get angry since they never have a cause for it. If someone gets angry at them, they don't retaliate but forgive them readily. Such individuals don't criticize anyone because they don't notice any fault in anyone. If anyone criticizes them, accept it and find out something good in it that they may adopt to improve themselves. They never try to control others because they believe in controlling themselves. A spiritually awakened person has great power of tolerance, so such a person accepts all types of people, things, situations, and circumstances unconditionally. Such an individual speaks less, but whatever he or she speaks is sweet and good. Such persons have more inner silence because of reduced internal dialogue, which our mind is incessantly creating in the form of thoughts. How to get awakened spiritually? Spiritual awakening necessitates some prerequisites for a person to fulfill faithfully, which include a regular study of religious and spiritual scriptures and implementing those principles in life. The implementation of the principles in one's practical life is more important because without it there will occur no spiritual awakening. The process of spiritual awakening is time-consuming, and that is why many aspirants give it up. To achieve it, the aspirant requires following steadfastly spiritual principles. One will have to strive hard to keep up one's spiritual growth even if one has been successful in achieving spiritual awakening. Below are mentioned some of the ways to be adopted in the process of spiritual awakening. Observe silence. The observance of silence daily for a period of time will give us mental strength to reduce the number of thoughts produced by the mind, because the more we speak, the more thoughts we create in our dialogues. If we speak less, we will create less of inner dialogue, which is expressed as our dialogues with others. If there is less inner dialogue, there is more inner silence, which is a prerequisite to commune with the cosmic silence of the superconsciousness. To attain divine qualities, one has to have communion with superconsciousness, which will fortify one's own consciousness. Initially, one can observe shorter periods of silence which can be gradually increased depending upon one's progress. When one becomes quite adept at observing such periods of silence, then one can have much more extended periods of hours and days. Be non-judgmental. We are mostly judging people, things, events or situations in comparison to the standard benchmarks, firmly established in our subconscious mind from our past experiences and conditioning. As a result of these comparisons, there is a lot of internal dialogue in our mind, which is expressed as views, opinions, and perspectives. This causes a lot of stress and unhappiness in us when what we judge does not measure well up to our benchmarks. If we stop being judgmental intentionally, we will be able to reduce internal dialogue in our minds. And therefore, we can create inner silence by not being judgmental, which will, in turn, reduce our stress. When we develop inner silence, we communicate with the cosmic silence to derive divine qualities from the superconscious realm. Give and receive. It is a universal law. What we give to others will come back to us more. For example, if we give love to others, we too will receive it. If we give happiness to others, we will receive it too. So, let us give more of what we lack so that we will receive it more. Giving and receiving connects ourself with the self of others, which means that we are connecting to the cosmic divine realm. Meditate. A regular practice of meditation connects us to a superconscious realm that imparts us its divine attributes. Regular meditation and prayers are potent methods of achieving spiritual evolution. Summary. Spiritual awakening takes place when a person experiences a dynamic shift in consciousness, in which the person no more identifies with the body. The person identifies always with the soul, although performing all the functions and activities of the body. Such an individual always has an attitude of a detached observer. Nothing can touch the individual emotionally, as such a person has emotions of love, kindness, empathy, and compassion towards all. The person always maintains the poise of equanimity and is contented in any situation. He or she has completely surrendered to the will of the Almighty. He or she always firmly believes that whatever is occurring in life is his wish and is beneficial to him or her. The process of spiritual growth is unending and even continues to take place in a person after the attainment of spiritual awakening.